How to join Sammy's Discord server on your mobile device. This tutorial shows you how to find and join Sammy's Discord server on your Android device. First, open your browser on your Android device. After that, search for Sammy's Discord server in the search bar. From there, look for the official invite link from a trusted source, such as Sammy's official YouTube channel description or social media pages. At this point, tap on the invite link to open it. In the next step, if you have Discord installed, the link will automatically redirect you to the app. Following this, tap on Accept Invite to join the server. Once done, you'll be taken directly into Sammy's Discord server. Finally, head over to the Rules channel first and read through the guidelines before jumping into any of the other channels. And that's it. If this guide helped you join Sammy's Discord server, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.